Hello again, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like. Today we have a fun parcel from SPC. I'm going to be unboxing this and I'm going to figure out what to cook with it. I have mixed feelings about this. I love opening presents. This is looking like a mystery box. And I can start to sense the feeling of stress from the other mystery boxes. Okay, what do we have here? So we have my favorite chocolate, mushrooms, broccoli, and is that cauliflower in there? Yep. Garlic, that's really handy. Ooh, what's this? Chicken and a little stock cube thing. Quinoa, very healthy. Crushed tomatoes, who doesn't have this in the pantry? Ooh, lentils, I never cook with those. Chickpeas, I only throw them in salads. Carrots and, oh, Italian herbs, that's very appropriate. And jalapenos.
So today I'm going to hero crushed tomatoes by adding it with quinoa, Italian herbs, chickpeas, cauliflower, a little bit of the chicken stock, carrots, mushrooms, and garlic. First of all, I'm going to peel these carrots. Then I'm going to make as thick and wide peels as possible because I want to dehydrate them and give them this really crunchy texture. And to do so, I need them to be as wide as possible because they're going to shrink in the oven. I'm going to lay them flat and then I'm going to drizzle them with grapeseed oil and a little bit of salt to help it dehydrate. I'm going to pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for roughly 5 to 10 minutes or until it browns. Next, chop the mushrooms in equal sizes so they cook at the same time and add in 2 peeled cloves of garlic, a little bit of Italian herbs, grapeseed oil and salt, and pop into the oven at 200 degrees for roughly 20 minutes or until you can smell this fantastic umami mushroomy flavor. Finally, dice the garlic and then grate the cauliflower. This is going to give you a fantastic texture and it's a great healthy alternative to rice. Let's brown the garlic with a drizzle of grapeseed oil. As soon as you can smell the wonderful fragrance in the air and the edges start to go brown, you can add in a whole can of crushed tomatoes. This is going to give us a wonderful stock to cook our quinoa in. As soon as it boils, you can pop in the 1/3 of a cup of quinoa, a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian herbs, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of the chicken stock. Let it simmer for 10 minutes and then you can add in the cauliflower that we prepared earlier and drain 1/2 cup of chickpea and add that in too. Simmer for another 4 minutes and then place a couple of tablespoons of this in the center of a dish and then garnish it with the mushrooms that we roasted, the wonderful crispy carrot chips, and then finally drizzle it with extra virgin olive oil, dash of pepper, and there you have it, a really healthy dish that is also really tasty and full of textures. Thank you to SPC for providing all the ingredients here today for me to play around with. But most importantly, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It's going to be a regular in my household because not only is it healthy, but it's actually quite delicious. And I can use quinoa in a different recipe now. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, turn on notification and like my YouTube page. Bye!